Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to store the important files in Rocky Linux 8 and also how to unstore the files. Okay, let me open the file explorer. So you can see your left side starred there. So all the starred files will appear here, which means starred is nothing but bookmarking your files. So similar to bookmarks in web browser, you can bookmark your files in different location. So what I'm doing, so I'm going to file explorer settings. So visible columns. So check the star. That's it. So now you can see the star symbol for each files and directory. So now I am toggling that star symbol, which means I am bookmarking that file. So I have starred these files. So now you can see these files are appearing in starred location. Okay. So which is similar to the bookmarks in web browser. So you can bookmark your files and directories so that you can execute files and directly or open the directory directly without going to that location. So that is the usage of starred files. So you can also unstar the files and remove from starred files.